Hey guys, so today I'm going to be hiking the Lanikai Pillbox trail, and I am right here at the trailhead. They've got this little sign here, the Pillbox, then this trail going up that way, so should be a good hike. There's not any shade on this hike, so I chose a day that is overcast, but it looks like there's still blue skies out towards the ocean, so we still should have great views at the top. So excited, and it should be a good one. I can already see the first pillbox, so it looks like we're moving up pretty quick. This is a pretty short hike, so should be there real soon. All right, there is the first pillbox, and we got a good view already. A lot of people on this trail. It's fairly steep, but it's super short, so not too bad. So I'm inside of the first pillbox. It was pretty windy getting up here, but really cool views looking out. You can see they've got the old gun mounts in here, and there's supposed to be 2 more pillboxes on this trail. I can see the next one are up already, just up a little bit more. So let's go check out those ones. I'm gonna get a shot from up top of this one first though. Pillbox, and this one's actually got a set of 2 bunkers. So there's the upper one, and then there's that lower one there that you can go down into. So check out the view. This is in the second pillbox. This one's actually 2 pillboxes next to each other. So I'm in this one, and this one right out here. Let's go down through the ladder on top. Super cool hike, lots of really good views. A little windy at spots. First little section was steep, but overall it was very doable, pretty easy hike. So if you're in this area and you want to see a couple pillboxes, say it's worth doing. So